sacrificed their life for our freedom. They sacrificed their life to build us a foundation. They sacrificed their life to build us a home to live. But now, it's more like we don't care about it anymore. Everything is doing what it pleases them. We're not thinking of anything or anything about the future. And with this, there's innocent generation also coming. The question is, will they have a home to live? Will they have a web to protect themselves? Will they have the freedom? Or can you say thank you to Dr. DuBois and to other freedom fighters for their sacrifice, for their pains, for their suffering? If we can say thank you to them, DuBois is saying that with us, let's be a spider. I don't have the same initial of Dr. DuBois' name, so I cannot be a spider. Oh, it's true. But DuBois is saying that if you can say a word to someone, and that word that you tell that person can be a stepping stone for that person, let's be a spider. You are building your own web. So in your own ways, you can be a spider. So DuBois is saying that be a spider. Not a spider that people see and run away. And not a Spider-Man. But a wise person. A person that will live a life, that have life in it. So when you are weak, when you are no more, when you are somewhere, someone also who can stand and say that, oh, because of what you did, because of what you left behind, or because of what you gave to me, this has become. And with that, they're already going well. Because that person can be in for you in terms of anything. So the way is saying that be a spider, move around, and build your web. That web is going to protect you, both protect your family, your friends, and everyone around you, because you are letting them come in. So be a spider, move around, and build your web. Thank you.
All right. Okay, so we just had an awesome tour of the W.E.B. DuBois Memorial Center for Pan-African Culture in Ghana. Amazing content, amazing narration. Hope you guys enjoyed this series. I'm going to hopefully upload pieces of this to YouTube. If you like it, like, share, subscribe. If you want to see more or other places to go see,